The world of first-person view drone technology is on the cusp of a revolutionary leap, and all signs point to the highly anticipated release of DJI's next-generation cinematic powerhouse, internally debated as the Avata 3 but now widely speculated to be the DJI Avata 360. This next-gen cinedrone is not merely an incremental upgrade over the impressive Avata 2, it represents a fundamental re-engineering of the Sinuhook concept, directly challenging the traditional workflow of aerial content creation. By integrating a native 360-degree camera system, DJI is setting a new standard for professional drone videography, effectively merging the thrilling, immersive flight experience of FPV with the creative flexibility of spherical capture. This move positions the Avata 360 as the definitive tool for filmmakers and advanced hobbyists seeking unparalleled dynamic angles and post-production freedom. The competitive landscape is heating up, with rival companies also pushing innovation, but DJI's established ecosystem and advanced flight control systems give the Avata 360 a significant edge in defining the future of cinematic FPV. The most groundbreaking feature of the Avata 360 is undoubtedly its true spherical capture capability. Initial leaks and regulatory filings, including detailed FCC documentation, point toward a meticulously designed dual-camera array integrated seamlessly within a newly engineered, durable spherical propeller guard system. This design is a direct response to the previous FPV workflow, where pilots often had to strap an external 360 action camera onto a standard Sinuhook, which invariably added weight, reduced flight time, increased drag, and introduced complex alignment challenges and potential stitching errors. The Avata 360 eliminates this cumbersome step entirely, offering a streamlined, factory-calibrated solution. Rumors suggest this system will achieve an impressive native 8K 360 degrees video at up to 30 frames per second, alongside a more traditional 4K 120 frames per second mode for standard FPV footage. This capability is a game-changer because 360-degree footage allows for the post-flight reframing of shots. A pilot can fly aggressively, capturing every possible angle, and then choose their final, perfectly composed cinematic viewpoint during the editing phase. This not only democratizes complex maneuvers by eliminating the pressure of nailing the shot in flight but also unlocks creative techniques like the tiny planet effect or hyperstabilized follow-cam perspectives, where the drone itself magically vanishes from the frame due to advanced stitching algorithms. The shift from a single-axis, forward-facing gimbal to a fixed camera, internal stabilization setup, dubbed omni-stabilization by some leakers, suggests an evolution of DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady technology to handle the unique rotational dynamics of a 360 FPV flight. This technological convergence defines the drone as the premier 360 FPV camera platform. Beyond the revolutionary camera module, the Avata 360's design leaks reveal a complete structural and component overhaul aimed at optimizing performance and durability. A core part of the drone tech review speculation focuses on the image sensor. While the original chatter pointed toward a monstrous 1-inch CMOS sensor, the most recent, highly credible leaks suggest a powerful, stacked 1/1.3-inch 64MP sensor for both its 360-degree and standard modes. This sensor, potentially shared with other flagship DJI action cameras, offers a significant leap in pixel size and light-gathering capability compared to its predecessor. The result is expected to be phenomenal low-light performance, a crucial advantage for cinematic FPV where golden hour and twilight shots are highly prized, as well as vastly improved dynamic range, giving colorists more latitude in post-production with 10-bit D-Log-M color support. Rear-mounted battery relocation, moving the main power source to the rear of the frame drastically improves the drone's center of gravity. This enhanced weight distribution will lead to better pitch, roll, and yaw stability, resulting in a tighter, more responsive feel during aggressive acrobatic maneuvers. This rear placement also clears more room at the front for the enlarged, sophisticated camera system. The battery capacity itself is rumored to see a substantial boost to around 38.67 Wh, promising flight times nearing the 30-minute mark, a phenomenal achievement for a powerfew. Sinuhook 4-blade propeller system. The leaked shift from a 3-blade to a 4-blade propeller configuration is a subtle but profound change for flight dynamics. In the FPV world, more blades generally mean a higher surface area, translating to significantly better low-end thrust, enhanced grip in the air, and increased stability, especially crucial for filming in turbulent environments or executing tight, controlled proximity shots. While 4 blades might technically draw slightly more current than 3 blades, their superior thrust density in a compact diameter makes them ideal for carrying the heavier, high-resolution camera payload and maintaining the smooth, stable flight path essential for professional drone videography. The Avata 360 is poised to become the cornerstone of the updated DJI FPV system. Integration with the rumored DJI Goggles 4 is expected to deliver a viewing experience with lower latency and higher resolution, enhancing the pilot's sense of immersion and precision control. Crucially, the drone is almost certain to feature the advanced O4 video transmission system. O4 is capable of pushing crisp, high-definition video feeds over immense distances, speculated up to 15 km FCC range, with ultra-low latency, minimizing the delay between pilot input and drone response. This is non-negotiable for high-speed FPV and is a key selling point for a next-gen Cinedrone. Safety features are also expected to see a major evolution. While the Avata 2 introduced basic downward and backward sensing, the Avata 360 is rumored to boast genuine omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, potentially using an array of front and side-facing sensors, possibly including LiDAR technology. If confirmed, this moves the Avata 360 from an assisted FPV drone to a truly smart one, allowing even intermediate pilots to explore complex environments with a greater margin of safety, making it accessible to a much wider audience of aspiring FPV creators. Features like advanced return-to-home and geofencing capabilities will be refined further, cementing the platform's reliability. The expected controller options, ranging from the highly intuitive DJI RC Motion 3 for a fluid, gesture-based flight style to the traditional FPV Remote Controller 3 for expert acro pilots, ensure that every user can find their optimal flight interface, regardless of their skill level. The new feature set and substantial technological advancements naturally point to a premium price tag, reflecting the drone's position as a flagship professional drone videography tool. Leaked pricing structures suggest a notable increase over its predecessor, but one that is arguably justified by the cost of incorporating native 8K 360 capture, a larger sensor, and advanced flight control electronics. The rumored price brackets, with the drone only expected to hover around $699 to $799, and the complete fly more combo with the necessary goggles and motion controller possibly ranging from $1,299 to over $1,800 for the ultimate creator combo, place it squarely in the professional gear category. This pricing strategy reflects DJI's confidence that the Avata 360's unique hybrid capability, the ability to switch seamlessly between classic cinematic FPV shots and the post-production flexibility of a 360 FPV camera, offers sufficient creative value to warrant the investment. The anticipated launch window in early 2026 places the drone in direct competition with emerging rivals, creating an electrifying race to capture the market for integrated 360 FPV solutions. The sheer volume of sophisticated technology packed into this compact, durable sinew-hoop-style frame indicates that the DJI Avata 360 is not just a product, but a statement that the future of immersive aerial storytelling will be governed by freedom of perspective, uncompromising image quality, and the integrated power of the DJI FPV system. This drone, if the leaks hold true, will redefine what pilots and videographers expect from an integrated next-gen Cinedrone platform.